problem, it's a global problem. This is years of generational conditioning. I think it also stems from a place that even though we are trying to create an equal footing, an equal playground, that's we've still not been successful. I, on an everyday basis, do deal with casual sexism. At the start of it, when I started, I didn't even know it was something that I was dealing with until I had like my seniors or women that I look up to that told me that is not okay, you have to stand up for your right. And I'm trying to do the same for the younger generation or girls that are going to come into the world now, where I want them to know that, okay, we as a generation are trying to create a safe space for you. I feel what's very important is to speak up. And it's just not upon the person who might be the victim. It is our responsibility as a society to come together and make sure that we speak up for people that might be vulnerable. You know, it really baffles me that somebody that I might hold on a pedestal, I don't know what kind of a person is he when he goes back home, because violence literally starts within your bedrooms, within your houses, within your homes. So I would say that if you know of somebody who is on that path, call them out. Give people support. It really breaks a woman that goes through that. It's a lot of trauma that you kind of hold up. I have gone through incidents when I was growing up and I'm still dealing with them. And they were probably something very casual, but something very small for you could have a deep lasting effect on me. And I feel the only way we can do it is if we truly come together, and it shouldn't be an incident as, I mean, it's so heartbreaking that sexual violence has become front page news. We read about it every day. If you look at the numbers, it shocks me. You know, I'm sure many of us have daughters that are growing up. This is not the world we want our daughters to grow up in. And it has to start from within our homes. When we see our daughters see an example of their parents where the man is respecting the woman and the woman is respecting the man, that's where it starts. So at least she will know that what disrespect is, and if somebody treats me like that, I know there's somebody I can go back to and I have somebody to fall back on. You know, so this is so sensitive. It's just about creating a safe ecosystem, and especially when it comes to a safe space where work is concerned. And if I think of films, you know, it's so empowering to be on a film set and see an equal representation for my gender. You know, where it can be like inherent makeup teams, it can be in the costume teams. Today, even directors and film writers, are there enough? No. But I'm very, very positive that we as an industry will pioneer it. And the only way we can make the spaces safe is by having stricter laws. We have to make an example of perpetrators. I don't see it happen any other way. It amazes me that how can you not fear the law? How can you not? And it definitely stems from a sickness, right? Because the incidents that we hear and we see, this is not even brutality, this is bestiality. Like, it goes beyond me that what comes over you to go through with an act like this. And if you just see violence, you know, like you see videos of small little children abuse little dogs on the street. You know, उनके ऊपर firecracker फेंक देते हैं, डंडों से मारते हैं brutally. तो ये तो बचपन में देखते हैं. And then you see their adults around them encouraging them to do that. So violence has just become such an inherent part of our being, and that's what scares me. There's no empathy left. And I really hope that we change that. I mean, I feel like everybody in this room and you and I are exactly trying to do that. We are trying to make the world a better place. And the more we do, the more we say, that's what's required, you know. And girls have an opinion. It's so important to have an opinion. It's so important to have a voice. And individuals that have an opinion and voice make people uncomfortable, and you will constantly be pushed into a corner. You will constantly be told, be quiet, oh, you're too big for your shoes, इतनी बड़ी problem maker है, हर चीज़ में इसका opinion है. It's fine. That's the only way you will bring about a change. And if we all are a part of this society, everything that impacts somebody else's household, somebody else's daughter is going to impact you as well.
চিরঞ্জিতের রিপোর্ট, এস নিউজ।